We are demonstrating how to assemble Chicco Ohlala'2 Stroller. Make sure you have all the parts shown here in the box and the user manual for easy reference. No additional tools are required for the assembly. To open the stroller, slide the switch. Press the button and pull out the handle. A click sound will indicate the proper locking. Joint handle in this stroller makes it easy to push, pull or maneuver even with one hand. Next, attach the front wheels by aligning the wheels with the front wheel rods and push up until you hear a click sound. Ensure that the wheels are properly lashed. Front wheels also feature 360-degree rotation for effortless turning and maneuvering of the stroller. The wheel's rotation can be locked simply by pushing the lever on front wheel upward. To bring it back to rotation mode, just push the lever down. To mount rear wheels, align slots on rear axle with stroller frame and push it in till snap buttons get into their slots. For baby safety and parents' convenience, Ohlala stroller is equipped with rear wheel brakes. Just one push on the brake rod will lock both rear wheels. To unlock rear wheels, pull the brake rod up. To attach the bumper bar, align it with two pins located at the ends of the armrests and push it till it gets locked into its slots. The removable bumper bar is not only an important safety feature, it is adequately padded so that baby feels comfortable while holding it or resting legs over it. Ohlala stroller comes equipped with comfortably padded seat covers and fully reclining backrest. Adjustable leg rest gives baby a comfortable space whenever they want to catch a nap during strolls. Stroller comes with 5-point safety harness system for baby's protection while remaining very convenient to use for parents. Next, to attach the canopy, fasten the plastic clips at designated spots. Affix rear panel of the canopy with Velcro strips. Large canopy of Ohlala protects baby from sun and wind during outdoor trips. Conveniently placed large basket lets you carry essentials like nappy change, baby towel, etc. while traveling. To fold the stroller, check that the carry-all basket is empty and canopy is fully pulled back. Use switch on the push handle and press locking button at the same time. The stroller will lock automatically in closed position and stand on its own. Ohlala 2 is an incredibly sturdy and surprisingly light stroller. At only 3.8 kg, it is your best travel buddy that lets you enjoy every trip to the fullest. Refer to your Chicco Ohlala'2 stroller's owner's manual for additional warnings and use instructions before using this product.